Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So in today's video, I'm going to try out some of the products that MBA Cosmetics so kindly sent me. Thank you so much for sending these to me. I'm so grateful, I'm so appreciative, and just thank you. They sent me this magnetic palette that says MBA Cosmetics, the perfect fix for your beauty tricks. That's really cute. This is the inside. These are what the shadows look like that they sent me. These 6, and they also sent me this pressed glitter, which I forgot to talk about in the actual tutorial portion. I guess I just totally didn't see it in the moment, but they sent me this pressed glitter as well, which I did not use because I just frankly forgot about it, to be honest with you. But also I don't think it would have really gone with what I went with on my eyes. But they sent me these 6 shadows, this pressed glitter. They sent me this liquid glitter, Bling It On, in the shade Prismatica, and they sent me this loose glitter in the shade, what are you called? Hijinks. They sent me Hijinks. So these are the products they sent me. I tried almost everything out. I just didn't use a couple things, but this is the look I came up with. If you want to see me try this brand, then let's just move right along. All right, good morning. Let's play with some eyeshadows. I don't really even know what I want to use. I know for sure I want to use the lime green color. I'm really feeling that. I don't know. I guess we will just have to play and see. But first things first is I need to put some mattes in my crease because these are all like shimmery, satiny kind of finishes, and I'd just rather not put them in my crease. I also need to prime my eye. I'm going to use my Sigma eyeshadow base in Ignite. I'm just going to lay this down all over and blend it in and not set it because I don't set my eyeshadow primer. I like it to be a little tacky. I'm going to use my Sugarpill shadows for the mattes today. I'm going to go in first with Kimchi, which is the light blue, and I'm just going to take a blending brush. This is a Morphe M433, and I'm just going to start kind of patting that down in the outer corner and through the crease and just work on blending it out, you know? I think I don't really want to put this down in my lower lash line because I think I might do different tones on my lower lash just to mix it up a bit. We will see, but I mean, you saw what I did. I basically just ran this heavily all the way from inner to outer corner and then worked on blending it upwards. I am, however, going to take a clean blending brush now. It doesn't matter what it is, and I'm just going to buff these edges out even more so it's nice and soft. I do think I want this winged out a teeny bit more though. I think I want to take this darker blue now. It's called Velocity, I'm pretty sure, and I'm going to take one of these angled brushes. This is from Spectrum. It's a B04, and I'm going to start creating kind of a wing-like shape in this outer corner, and I'll start carrying it through the crease as well. I'm not going to blend this as high. This is more going to be just to deepen up that first blue that I laid down. I feel like I sound extra sleepy. I'm not as sleepy as I sound. I am sleepy, don't get me wrong. I'm not as sleepy as I sound. Today is Saturday. I'm doing this and I'm going to work. Nothing new and crazy here. And now I'm going to take that brush I used with Kimchi. I'm not going to grab any additional product just yet. And I'm just going to work on blending right where that edge is, just to start softening things up. Gonna grab a little bit more Kimchi now, the lighter blue, just to start building up on this wing-like shape in the outer corner. And I'm using pretty light pressure because I want to make sure this doesn't get too much too fast. I want to build it up slowly but surely. I'm going to take my clean brush that I grabbed before to help with the blending as well. I'm actually going to use that brush and kind of dip between Kimchi and the white, I think it's called Tako, to make like a really light blue color, and use that as well at the tippy top of all this. Now we're looking pretty much where I wanted it, because I did want it to still be very bold and dramatic. I just wanted it to have a little bit of a gradient going on. There we go. I'm happy with that. I feel like in the outer corner I want to place this shade, which I don't even know what any of these are called. This one is called Night Shift. It looks like kind of a well, this color, what I dip my thumb into. And then I want to put the green towards the front half, and I don't know the name of this one because there's no sticker. I will have it in the description box. I think I'm gonna do the green first and figure out exactly how far across I want it. For that I have this, I think this is an OMFG Cosmetics brush. It's just nice and flat. It's a little large, but it's flat. That's what really matters to me. And I'm also gonna use my NYX Glitter Primer because I use this with any shimmer shade ever. And I'm going to just start by popping this across the lid like so. And then I'm going to kind of etch out where I would normally cut my crease with concealer because I want a cut crease look. However, I don't want to actually cut the crease because I don't feel like it this morning. So kind of like that. I'm dipping right into that green. Ooh, that's so pretty. And I'm just going to start laying this across. So I want to kind of leave it where it's at like this. I have this little bit of space here, so I'm just going to flip that brush over and dip into that more bluey-ish shadow and pop it kind of in this outer portion. Oh my gosh, this color combo is looking magical. I'm going to try to drag this down just a little bit towards like my lower lash in like a diagonal. And then I'll just flip back and forth between the two sides of that brush until I like the way everything meshes together. Ooh, this looks so pretty. Wow. I mean, you guys know I'm a sucker for blues and greens, so this isn't surprising that I like this. I'm gonna take the first brush I use just to buff this edge where things are kind of meeting just a little bit more. I'm a fan of this. So for my lower lashes, I was thinking I kind of want to play with this like burgundy-ish purple tone and then this pink tone. I'm not exactly sure how. I think I might start by taking some of the purple, which I think is Poison Plum from Sugarpill, and I'm going to take that on a pencil brush. This is a Spectrum A12. And I'm just going to start by popping some of that in this outer area to blend in with the blue, and then I'll start adding those shimmers in. Even going to take that brush that I used with the darkest blue with no additional product just to help feather those together. So with these shadows, the pink one is called Calypso, and this purpley one is called, if I can grab it, Risque. So I'm just going to use the same pencil brush. I wiped it off, and I'm going to dip into Risque first. And I'm just going to start kind of in the middle and pop it on and work my way across. Wow, this is pretty. It has really good depth to it. Wow. So I'm just wiping this brush off again, and I'm going to dip into the pink, which is Calypso. And that I want in the front little portion of my eye. And I totally got shadow in my eyeball. I'm just going to smudge that pink into the purple. I mean, really, it's as simple as that. Now I just need a brush to blend it out. I'm just going to start with this brush. It's a random Morphe M518. And I'm just going to, with no additional, or just no product at all on this brush, actually. I'm just going to lightly buff around the edge. And I like that. Simple as that. For my inner corner, I think I want to swirl this yellow in it. It's called Lemon Drop. What an appropriate name. For that, I have this random Luxie brush. It's a Luxie 121. Just going to swirl Lemon Drop on it and pop that in the inner corner. Just going to take a tiny bit more pink to pop right in between the purple and yellow so that there's a merger, because purple and yellow mixed together make mud. So don't mix them. Well, I really like this. Like, I like it a lot more than I thought I was going to like it. It's not that I thought this was going to be bad. I don't know. I didn't really have many expectations because I've never used these shadows before, so I didn't know what to think. But I didn't think I would love it this much. I love what's going on the lid so much. That green and this blue color is the star of the show. I guess the only one I didn't use is that orange, but you guys know me in orange. I was not in a rush to use it. But I like this look. The only other things that I received were this Bling It On Prismatica Liquid Glitter Shadow. I'm kind of scared of it because I swatched it on my hand earlier and it's kind of liquidy, and I'm worried I'm going to mess things up. Because I could like trace this, but I'm worried it's going to look bad. I might try it though. So I'm just going to squeeze a little bit out of the top. Kind of looks like that. And I just have this angled liner brush, and I guess I'm just going to carefully pop some of this against the cut crease. Okay, this is actually working fine. I don't know why I was so frightened. Okay, yeah, that's actually really pretty, and that added such a nice little twinkle to the look. I love adding glitter in cut creases like this. Ooh, that's really cute. I will say on this glitter and this next glitter that I'm going to talk about, on both of the packaging, it literally says, like, this is not FDA approved. Use at your own risk on your eye. It's not intended for the eye area. But I'm a rebel, so here we are. And then the last thing I got was this loose glitter called Hijinks, and it's really pretty. I like the tones in it. It's like pinks and purples and greens and loud car. Very oddly sounding car. But it has a lot of really pretty tones in it. I just don't think I want to put it on my eyes today. But it is pretty and I will use it eventually. But I think I'm going to stop here. I like this look a lot. For my waterline, I think I'm going to go in with, what are you called? Electric Daisy from Colourpop? To kind of go with the green that's on my lid. But I might mix it with Crossed because I want more of a neon-y chartreusey green. So I'm going to go in with the green first and then put the yellow on top of it and see how it goes. I ended up going with just the green. I think it looks fine. So now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, throw on my lashes, something on my lips, and we will finish this up. That's it. This is the final look. What do you think? I love it so much. I think it's so pretty. I love blues and greens together. I love neon greens next to my pink hair. I just think it's all around a very cute look. I like this added purpley pink on my lower lash line. I'm really feeling good about it. My lashes are the Bold Face Makeup Lashes Out Lashes, and on my lips I went with the Bullet Lipstick in the shade Cool Brown from ABH. I forgot how much I like this lipstick, and I really like it with this eye look. It's like rainbows, but make it grunge, and it's really cute. I'm really glad I didn't chicken out and I used that glitter. I don't know why I was scared of it. I really liked the look so much. I was worried I was gonna mess it up, but I love the glitter so much. It's so pretty. I think my favorite shades so far are definitely the two that are across my lid, that green and that grayish blue color. It's so pretty. I'm excited about this look. Those shadows performed really well. They are very pigmented. They're nice and shiny. They aren't ultra metallic or anything like that. They're not ultra sparkly. They're nothing like that, but they're just a really pretty, shiny shadow. I don't know how else to put it. The pigment's nice. They applied beautifully. I didn't have issues. I didn't have to work too hard to make them do their thing. They just did their thing. The liquid glitter was fine as well. Didn't really have issues with it. I don't know how well it would work going like across your whole lid or if you were to do like a wing with it or anything like that. But for little things like this, it worked really nice. So far so good. I will use the loose glitter at some point and I will use the pressed glitter at some point. I'm not going to say for sure when, but I'm sure it'll happen. They're glitters. I'm sure they'll be fine. I can actually probably kind of dip my finger into this pressed glitter and just kind of see what it looks like. That's actually really cute. But I'm not a huge pressed glitter fan. I'm just the person that would prefer to just take a loose glitter and use glitter glue. But this one is really cute. I like the tones in it. It's very, I don't know, pinks, purples, blues, oranges, blacks. It's very, I don't know, it's cool. It's unique. But yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you again, MBA Cosmetics, for sending these my way. I had a lot of fun playing with these. I really like the look I came up with, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you enjoyed this kind of first impressions video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here as well. I also try to post here every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.